Welcome to Monkey Art! Hello friends! Today we're gonna draw exploding volcano and we're gonna hear a fun fact about it. So let's get started! Volcanoes are mountains that can shoot out hot rocks, ash, and lava from deep inside the earth. Did you know that there are around 1,500 active volcanoes in the world? Some volcanoes are so big that they can change the weather and cause tsunamis. But not all volcanoes are destructive. Some can create new lands and beautiful islands. And maybe tongue as well. Cool. And it can have cute little eyebrows. Okay. Now we're gonna make a shape of volcano. So we're gonna start from here and finish somewhere here. Like that. So it's gonna be really rocky. So you can draw it like this, all the way up to the top. We have rocky volcano, like that. Then we're gonna make the bottom. You can make it something like that. Then we're gonna make this little top of volcano, where lava comes out, and lava is really cool. Okay, let's add some drops going like that. And few more on each side. Wow, this is really cool volcano. And then we can also add some parts going all the way down and some ash going all the way up. So it's gonna look a little bit like a cloud. You can even add rainbow if you like. Let's make a bigger cloud behind this one. Cloud of ash. Cool. Now we can go and color it. So first I'm gonna actually color its little tongue. And oh yeah, we forgot one thing, and that is to color its eyes. So we're gonna color using black and just leave those two white circles like that. We can also color eyebrows and mouth as well. There we go. Now we're gonna use what other colors can we use? We can use, ooh, what's this? This is yellow. So let's make some parts of it yellowish, like that. And maybe this top part as well. And maybe also some lines we can add here where it's exploding. Nice. add some more on these drops. And then we can use, we have some orange. And when we add orange, it's gonna be even more cool. That's then we're gonna use this one and color it all the way in. You can even leave some parts white if you'd like. And I'm gonna do probably that. And now we can color these ones orange, like that. Wow, it's looking really cool. And these clouds you can color maybe gray or leave it white. I'm gonna just add some parts of it bluish, like that. It's like a shade. I really like blue. What's your favorite color? You can use some other one if you like. Okay, we have that part completed. Now we're gonna color actual volcano. We just see which one is lighter. We're gonna use some brown. This is light brown. So I'm gonna color all the way in. And around the eyes. Cool. Now let's use some darker brown. This one. And let me see. We can color some bottom parts. Just like this, maybe. Wow. It's really cool. Nice. And maybe some top parts as well. Or we can just add a little bit of shadow there. And a little bit shadow on the side, like that. And there we go, guys, we have completed our little cute volcano, and I'm just gonna add a little line below, like that. And let's give it a little check mark because it's completed and it's looking awesome, super cute and cool. And let's give it a little heart because we love our little volcano. Well done, guys. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and see you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.